Alright guys, back at the field again today. Was it 3 days later? I flew last Sunday. This glider here had a propeller snap off, so I had to do emergency landing on that side of the hill. Only thing I have right now is this straight 8x4.5 propeller. It's actually a drone propeller, but it should work. The brake is on, so it shouldn't spin. Then I did repair this pusher jet. I am going to start off with 3S first. A little messy job, but I put some like epoxy glue there, trimmed it down with a Dremel. But yeah, it's pretty stable. This whole right wing is all sealed up, good to go. 3S and maybe a 4S. I'm gonna try on this side. Maybe land right to left. Watch out for that fire hydrant in this little patch. We're trying to whiz by here. Yeah. Do that again. Sounds cool. Oh, a little blinded by the sun now. Keep it on this side. Try and get it up high. Coming down, no throttle. It's a great glider. They don't make this anymore. They don't sell it. FMS Let-13. It's a good 10 years old, maybe a little bit more. I think they make the MOA. Whew, watch out for that pole. I could technically land it like this. Starting off with the glider first. I did forget the windsock, but it's coming this way. Alright, wish me luck. Lock these doors. The light pole here, watch out for that. Take off. Seems to. Oh, it's still spinning. That's all right. Into the sun. Right rudder on the top. Counteract there. Loop. Retreat. Flying good. Might just have to keep this prop on there. Hopefully it lands without hitting. I brought the one battery. Just wanted to test it out. Lower. That's a glide. Throttle off. %50–60% power through the turns here. the sun. Super chill, fun plane. It's all aileron banking. Full throttle. It's pretty quick with the full throttle. Full throttle. Trying to whiz by here. Yeah. Do that again. Sounds cool. Ugh, a little blinded by the sun now. Just been on this side. Try and get it up high. Coming down, no throttle. Great glider. They don't make this anymore. They don't sell it. FMS Let-13. It's a good 10 years old, maybe a little bit more. I think they make the MOA. Whew, jump for that pole. I'm gonna keep that prop on there. It might cause a little bit of drag, but it's flowing. Do a quick loop. Pull. Had to pull out a little sooner than that. Let's do that again. Loop. No throttle loop. Plenty of authority. Alright, wind's died down some, so that'll work. Let's do a practice landing. It's a little field here. I think I got a minute on my timer here. Right there. That'll work. It's about 30-40% throttle. I can technically land it like this. Snap roll, a little snappy there. Do that at the top. Timer's out. Alright, let's do right to left. Same situation. take it. Throttle hold. That was super fun. FMS Let-13, 1500 millimeters, so that's 5 feet, 60 inch, 5 feet wingspan, EPP foam.